Welcome to AIM SSLC Facilitator. In the last class, we have discussed about the distance formula. In this class, let us discuss about the section formula. Consider any two points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 and assume that P x, y divides AB internally in the ratio m1 is to m2. That is, PA divided by PB will becomes m1 by m2. The coordinates of the point P x, y are given by P x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is called as section formula. If P x, y is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2, then its coordinates are given by P x, y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is called as midpoint formula. This midpoint formula is obtained by the section formula by putting the value of m1 is to m2 is equal to 1 is to 1. Because P is the midpoint of the line segment AB and divides it in the ratio 1 is to 1. Let us see some problems. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of minus 1, 7 and 4, minus 3 in the ratio 2 is to 3. It means we have to find the coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2 is to 3. Let us see the solution. Let A x1 y1 is equal to minus 1, 7. B x2 y2 is equal to 4, minus 3, and they have given the ratio, so m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 3, and we have to find out the coordinates of the point P. Therefore, P x, y is equal to question mark. By section formula, P x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now we have to substitute the values as they given. So in the next step, 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus 1 by 2 plus 3, 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 7 by 2 plus 3. In the next step, we get 8 minus 3 by 5, minus 6 plus 21 by 5. Then it will be equal to 5 by 5, 15 by 5. At last we get the answer 1, 3. Here 1 is the x coordinate and 3 is the y coordinate. Therefore, the coordinates of the point which divides the join of minus 1, 7 and 4, minus 3 in the ratio 2 is to 3 are 1, 3. See the next question. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8 is divided by minus 1, 6. In the previous problem, they asked to find the coordinates of the point P, but here they have given the coordinates of point P, but they asked to find the ratio in which the point P divides the line segment AB. It means we have to find m1 is to m2. See the solution. Let A x1 y1 equals minus 3, 10, B x2 y2 is equal to 6, minus 8, P x, y equals minus 1, 6. We have to find m1 is to m2, so m1 is to m2 is equal to question mark. Now we have to take the section formula. P x, y equals m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now substitute the coordinates of point P x, y as minus 1, 6 and also substitute the values of x1, y1, x2 and y2. And leave m1 and m2 as it is. In the next step, we get minus 1, 6 is equal to 6m1 minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2, minus 8m1 plus 10m2 by m1 plus m2. Here we have to know that minus 1 is equal to 6m1 minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2 and 6 is equal to minus 8m1 plus 10m2 by m1 plus m2. Now I am taking equation 1. m1 plus m2 in the denominator of the RHS we'll transpose it to LHS, then it goes to numerator. Now minus 1 into m1 plus m2 is equal to 6m1 minus 3m2. Multiply minus 1 within the bracket, then we get minus m1 minus m2 is equal to 6m1 minus 3m2. Take m1 on LHS and m2 on RHS, then we get 6m1 plus m1 is equal to 3m2 minus m2. In the next step we get 7m1 is equal to 2m2. By transposing 7 to RHS and m2 to LHS, we get m1 by m2 is equal to 2 by 7. We can write it as m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. There is an alternate method. Instead of taking equation 1, we can also take equation 2. And simplifying the equation 2, we get the same answer, m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. See the third problem. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, minus 1 and minus 2, minus 3. First, understand the problem clearly. Here, they have given the line segment AB. The coordinates of A are 4, minus 1 and coordinates of B are minus 2, minus 3. This line segment is trisected by the 2 points P and Q. Trisect means dividing it into 3 equal parts. So, P and Q are dividing AB into 3 equal parts. It means AP is to PQ is to QB becomes 1 is to 1 is to 1. By observing this, we can easily say P divides AB in the ratio 1 is to 2 and Q divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 1. Let us see the solution. Let A x1 y1 is equal to 4, minus 1. B x2 y2 is equal to minus 2, minus 3. Let P and Q be the points of trisection of AB. Here we are finding the coordinates of P and Q separately. First we have to find the coordinates of P by taking that the point P divides AB in the ratio 1 is to 2, that is m1 is to m2 is equal to 1 is to 2. Take the section formula and substitute the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and also m1 and m2. By simplifying this, we get the coordinates of P as 2, minus 5 by 3. Now we have to find the coordinates of point Q by taking that the point Q divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 1, that is m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 1. Now take the section formula and substitute the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and also the value of m1 is to m2 as 2 is to 1. And by simplifying this, we get the coordinates of Q as 0, minus 7 by 3. See the next problem. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points 2, minus 3 and 4, 5. Let us see the solution. Let A x1 y1 is equal to 2, minus 3. B x2 y2 is equal to 4, 5. Here we have to find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment AB. Let Px, y be the midpoint of the line segment AB. By midpoint formula, Px, y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. By substituting the values and by simplification, we get the values as 3, 1. Therefore, the coordinates of the midpoints of the line segment AB are 3, 1.